Sir, but I can see somewhat blurred icon of that file.
Yeah, it's like a low contrast icon.
Yeah.
Because I think you have shown the hidden files. So in view, I think you have shown the hidden files. You have displayed the hidden files. Go to explore and see in the view menu view ribbon. I think you have ticked the hidden items. That's why it's like low contrast icon is displayed. Right, let's learn now.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
after finishing this, let's learn how to do this in GUI. You can follow me and how to do this in CLI, both. Right, the more important is CLI because that is for grade 8, that is new. But normal hiding and unhiding, maybe you know already. But in CLI, it's strange. Maybe it's a new experience to you. Okay, let's go. Right? Let's go to my Windows computer. And now we are in Windows computer. So first of all, I just want to hide a file. I want to hide a folder. Okay. I'll right click on the folder, go to properties. And the properties I'll tick hidden. So no need to be read only, but I can tick read hidden and apply. You can see it's gone. When I click on a file, or I can click multiple files even. I can click on multiple files, right click, properties, and make it hidden, hide. When I apply this, you can see those will not be visible.
Sir, when I hide one, it comes word.
Yes. Why?
What to do?
Because in the Explorer, I think you have ticked hidden items. That's why you can see this blurred icon like this. Not blurred actually. The low contrast icon. Because you have ticked the hidden items. If you untick the hidden items, it's hidden. If you tick the hidden items, it will appear. Understood?
It works, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir. Understood.
right.
Where to find them now?
So you can unhide, you can tick on hidden items. Then it will be appearing again.
Hey, it went away.
Sorry?
Where is the
The documents, I select some documents, and when I like hit them, it went to the item recycle bin.
No.
But there is, yeah, there is.
Then you have not actually hidden, you have pressed accidentally, you pressed the delete key, I think. Press Control Z.
No, properties and then the hidden apply.
Again do that and see. Is it going to recycle bin? Then that definitely your computer is messed up. Right?
Sir, where do we have go to find those what we hit?
So to find the items that you hid, you have to just open the Explorer, Windows E to open the File Explorer, Windows E, Windows key E. Then go to View. There you can tick hidden items. Tick this. Put a right sign. Then you can see them back. But with light move, some light, maybe some low contrast icons. Then to unhide, select these items again, right click, go to properties, untick the hidden, apply, okay, then you can see them normal way. Select those, right click, go to properties, untick hidden, apply, okay, then you can see those are in the normal mode. Okay with this? Shall we go to CLI?
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Right, let's go to CLI. Press Windows button and R key. Windows button and R key. Then press CMD. Then type CMD and click OK. Windows button, R key, then type CMD and click OK. It will open up this black and white window, which is command prompt. For the new students also, this will be okay because still we have not done much about this practical lessons. We just started the practical lessons on in last 2 months. We have mostly covered the theoretical lessons, not practicals. But now only we are starting the practicals. So less notes, more work. Less notes, more work, right? Okay, then type C desktop.
Sir, I hid an unhidden file.
Okay, good, great. So then go to the desktop, CD desktop. CD desktop. To see the files and folders in your desktop, you can press dir. It will display the files and folders in your desktop. dir command will display the files and folders in your desktop. Additionally, you can see 2 folders. These are not there in Windows. These are additional folders, dot and double dot. Dot means the same folder that you are in. Double dot means the parent folder. But those 2 folders are not there in GUI. The command is dir and press enter, then you will see. dir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So when I type CD desktop, sir, it says the system cannot find the path specified, sir.
So can you tell me the spellings that you type?
CD in capital letters D and in simple letters the
Read it.
remaining letters.
Read it. DES.
DESKTOP.
Right. Can you tell me the path here? C users. What is the path?
C users HP.
HP. Can
Yes,
you put
sir.
dir? Can you press dir?
Okay, sir.
So what is in the results? Can you tell me the folders in the results? Can you see desktop there?
What, sir?
Can you see desktop there as dir? මෙතන පෙන්වනවද
No.
desktop කියලා එකක්?
No, sir.
What you can see?
Sir, I can't type there, sir.
Where?
Sir, I first type that it came C users HP, then I type CD desktop. Then it says the system cannot find the path specified,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Then I
Then
asked
again it's
you to do some other steps. Did you follow that?
yes, sir.
Okay, can you send me a print screen like others? Can you send me the screenshot of your results? Others, I think you
Okay,
are
sir.
getting, no? Others are getting, no?
Yes, sir, I hid an unhidden file just now.
Okay, that's good. So, Hiruka, I think you have to send a screenshot of that. Because I want to
Okay,
see
sir.
what you have done. Okay, next. So then dir, it will give you list of the files and folders. And if you press ATTRIB, you can see attributes of those files. Some are SH, some are SH. So can you tell me Gayatmi? Why? So in any computer, you can take screenshots, Pute. So press how to take screenshots. You can go to, yeah, here you can go to snip in. Are you using XP?
Windows touchscreen screen.
What is the version that you are using? Gayatri, what is the version that you are using? You can use a snip in tool to take a photo. Snip in tool. Here. Snip in tool. Then from that you can capture.
So what we have to
Here you can
so
capture.
what we have to write is attributes.
Only attribute. Yes.
attrib space h space
Only attrib.
the file name and extension.
To hide.
Only attrib.
Wait until I come to the particular place.
Yes.
Wait until I explain because I have to wait till the others. Let's do as a teamwork. Attrib. Then you can see some files are sh. Can you let me know how many sh files are in your desktop? How many sh files are there in your desktop? Meanwhile, I'm still waiting for Hiruka's screenshot.
So I also got the same thing. I put it.
Sir, one sh file.
One sh. Okay.
One
Good.
sh file, sir.
Okay.
One sh.
Is there anyone getting more than one sh? 10 sh, 5 sh, likewise?
So can you tell it again?
Right? So you got one sh, right? When you type, that's why I always ask to follow me without, so it's okay to go, it's okay to move faster, but without listening, don't do that. So listen carefully and then do it. Otherwise, you will miss important points. So I asked you to type attrib. So then I saw that some are getting sh, but some.
Sir, I have already done it.
How many sh files? You got. sh means system and hidden.
So can you scroll
only
down
one,
little?
sir.
Only one. Okay.
Only one.
Right. If it is only one,
Others are A's
So
and
can you
A's.
scroll it down little? Up.
why?
Scroll up.
Okay. Then the next thing, if you want to hide a file, let's say you want to hide this abc.vbs, you can say attRib plus h, then the file name abc.vbs. So if you have to hide a file that you can see, right? But don't hide the files that you cannot see. Here, if you can see after attrib, you can see all the files which are possible to hide. Then I type attrib -h, this one. Then again, I'll type attrib, and then I can see this is hidden here, h. H means hidden. And if I put attrib plus s plus h plus r, let's type another one, this shakila.txt. Then again, if I type attrib, then you can see it's system, hidden, and read only. System, hidden, and read only. Okay, still I'm waiting for Hiruka's print screen because Hiruka has not sent me yet. Sent?
I did it.
Hiruka,
Sir, I can't SHR.
Okay, Hiruka. CD.
Sir, I hit several documents.
Hiruka, the problem is here. Again, you have not done what I said. I asked you to type dir and see. So in your print screen, I cannot see any dir.
Okay, sir, I'll try.
Okay. Who said that you cannot do? So what is the issue? So what are the problems that you are getting? Who said that you cannot? Yeah. What are the issues that you're getting? So when you get an issue, kindly take capture that issue and send me a screenshot. Then otherwise I cannot see your computer now. So if you cannot take screenshot of your computer, it's okay. Take a photo and send it to me in WhatsApp. You can do that now. Photo එකක් කරන් WhatsApp එකෙන් දාන්න. එතකොටත් මට බලන්න පුළුවන්. So use one of the method, one of either method. So either check, either take a print screen or send a photo in WhatsApp. So that is easy. Then I can see and help you.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
How can you find about 2 or 3 files at at a single at a time by using CLI?
You want to hide many files?
Yes, sir.
Then you have to type this one, att rib plus s plus h plus r. It will hide all the files in your folder. But you have to make sure that you have to get those things back, right? It will hide everything in your desktop.
Okay, sir. I won't do it.
Sir,
Right.
how to? Sir, now we are in the desktop, no?
Yeah, now we are in desktop.
Sir, how to go to another folder in another disk, like
I said this earlier. I already said that. So you go to the particular folder and then go to any folder that you like and type CMD there. CMD in the address bar, then you can access the command prompt in that path.
Thank you, sir.
Right, okay. So I think, so after doing that, when you refresh, when you go to desktop, right click and refresh, you can see everything gone. Right click, refresh, everything gone, right? So you can type ATTRIB, but here now you can see all files are SHR, all files are system hidden and read only. So then you cannot just tick hidden items and see these files. Even though you tick hidden items, you will not see those files. Untick hidden items, tick hidden items, you won't get that files back. To get that files, the only way is reverse the command. Use attrib minus h minus s minus h and minus r. Here because මෙතන අපි tick කරා කියලා untick කරා කියලා ඒක අපිට එන්නේ නැහැ. Tick, untick, it won't come. Right? So what you have to do after hiding, right click and refresh. Then everything will go. Then you have to type minus command, minus shr, and then you can see those files back. And type attrib again, now you can see shr is removed. So this part you have to practice, right? Watch the video again, practice and practice, listen carefully. Then you will understand that if you have done without listening, you have missed that, right? That's why I ask always listen carefully, then follow up, listen carefully, then follow up. Otherwise, if you do this without listening, you will miss a lot of things. Okay, with that, I'll stop for today. So please watch the video, do these things and come next day, right?
Okay, sir.
Do these things again, 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 and again. Try these things, hide, unhide, and see, then come to the class next day. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Goodbye, sir.
Good night. Then see you all.
Goodbye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Night, sir.